This is the fourth release from the KOMSCO Mint in South Korea. I think this is actually my favorite one. I don't really know why, but it's just so cool. It's got a cosmic aspect to it. It's an amazing finish. I don't know any other coin that has these satin matte alluring surfaces. There's aspects that are proof finish, and they're really unique in many ways. They have a depth and a dimension and an atmospheric quality that I don't know any other mint has acquired. This is called the 2020 1-ounce South Korean Rattus gold medal. It's a BU version. There's only 1,200 of these made. And what's interesting is the KOMSCO Mint, it's one of the few mints in the world creating a collection that replaces the popular animals of the Chinese lunar calendar with figures of the well-known 12 guardians in that ancient culture. And this medal depicts the image of the most important of the 12 guardians when it comes to defending the Chiwoo Empire. And it's cool that the most important guardian is a woman. And her name is Rattus, the name of this particular medal. She's the queen of the Underworld, and she has the ability to foresee dangers in the future. Looks like she has a mask on. This cool emblem on her chest, radiating the yin-yang, dagger in her hand. It's cool. So she guards the underworld cave beneath the Chiwoo Empire. With her capacity to foresee great wars in the future, she can warn the king in advance of the rise of evil coming their way. She is shown in this depiction in a celestial robe with a dagger in her left hand, and in her right hand outstretched is as kind of holding up the moon as it rises in the sky overhead in the background. So I'm going to just put the seal on this so I can turn it over, because they have, this is a brand new depiction of the ggae on the obverse, which is the nature deity. This one is kind of grinning with enhanced teeth and larger eyebrows, kind of flared nostrils. Same security aspect there. You can see 999 and then AU for the symbol of gold to prevent counterfeiting. So I really love this coin a lot. I think it's my favorite in the series. Most of the others got more attention, but this is a winner in my book. All right. Take care.